mission of the California Court Reporters Association is to promote the profession of verbatim shorthand reporting in the state of California.
Not only as a freelance, an official, a captioner, a court reporter, but also for students. If you want the association that represents you in its fullest capacity, CCRA is it.
In February of 2009, we had our very first California Action Team training, what we fondly call our CATT program, C-A-T-T. And this was a big success. The purpose of the CATT training is to give our members the skills and the confidence to be able to represent themselves, the profession of reporting, and our issues as they talk to their colleagues, to attorneys they work with, their judges, the court administrators, and our legislators.
It was the best seminar I have ever gone to.
CATT training gets you more ready to go out to be that professional person, to say, here's why we're needed.
And this training is phenomenal.
It's part of teaching you to be proactive in your profession as a court reporter and giving you the voice to speak on behalf of court reporters all throughout the state.
Without it, I could never have gone in front of the legislature and testify on behalf of the Court Reporters Board.
I would recommend the seminar to anyone who's thinking of attending. It's by far the best seminar I've been to that I can remember. It was excellent.
We got more in touch with the issues that are facing court reporters today, things we need to be aware of in order to protect our profession.
The CATT training gave me literature that within a day I went through and reviewed what the legislative issues were so that I could be prepared to be confronted and almost like cross-examined about the electronic recording issues in facing us as court reporters.
We're going to give you the opportunity to go into your own home constituent legislator, and we're going to let you be the one to present the information.
Whether it be educating ourselves or learning how to speak to our legislators so they understand the need of the live person in the courtroom.
The first thing we teach you is how to speak in front of other people, which is really a scary thing to do. So the first thing, you have to get over that fear. But we give you the information you're going to need.
This is the most important training, I think, in a long time that CCRA has presented.
We give you mock seminars where you actually pretend you're talking to a legislator, you pretend you're talking to the AOC, you pretend you're talking to all these different media outlets, and then you're prepared when you go out into the real world because you've done these mock situations. It's perfect.
It gave me the tools to learn how to approach any type of situation, whoever I need to speak to about court reporting and the benefits of court reporting and why we're necessary, why we're cost efficient, and why we belong in the judicial system.
And if each one of us are able to sway just one legislator or one judge that will write one letter, it will further our profession even further. So we need to equip our members with how to do this.
As ER would be applicable in court, it would be a very, very short leap to have ER in depositions as well. That's what's happened in many of the other states.
I mean, it is just a wealth of information.
And giving people the skills and the practice to be able to go out and present these issues to our consumers.
And I would highly recommend it to anyone who's considering it. It's going to be a benefit for you for the rest of your career.